In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily install APK on your Google TV. Okay, for the first step, what we can do is go here all the way to the right to the quick settings and then go on all settings here. Okay, and then for the next step, we go here on system and then to the right on about. So, and then we go all the way down and then here we have like the Android TV OS build, and here we click on OK many times until we get into the developer mode. So I have already activated it, and here when we go down, then we should see like the developer options. So this is right. What we want to do next is that we go back until we get to apps. So, and yeah, here we can go down there, and here we have like security, and here we can easily allow apps from unknown sources, or here we have like scan apps with Play Protect. Play Protect can scan this device and warn you about harmful apps, and we can turn this off here. So when we turn this off, what we can do next is that we go on apps here. So go on apps, and now here we look for the downloader app. So click on the downloader app, and here in the downloader app we can easily download it, and there we can look for the APKs, and then we can easily install it. And yeah, this is all we have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.